Hi knitting friends, Shaina Bilow here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to work a knit two together decrease. A knit two together decrease is a very commonly used decrease in knitting. It subtracts one stitch from your total stitch count each time you work it, and it slants to the right. So you'll notice here I have a line of knit two togethers that I've started here and right here, and this line is heading towards the right. In contrast, I have left-leaning decreases over here, SSKs, and those are slanting towards the left. So a knit two together decrease naturally slants towards the right and pulls your stitches over to the right. I'm ready now for a knit two together decrease. To work this decrease, my yarn is in the back of the work, and I'm going to take my right hand needle and insert it into the second and then the first stitch from the tip of the needle. So to do that, I'm putting my needle just like so into these two. With my needles in this position, my normal knit position, I'm going to wrap the yarn around the right hand needle and bring that resulting stitch out of these two, and then I can let those two off of the needle. So I have one resulting stitch from where I combined two stitches here in a knit two together. And the resulting, or these two that have combined, are slanted towards the right. And I will demonstrate that decrease now in the continental method. So I've got my yarn wrapped for continental style in my left hand. I'm going to insert my needle into these two stitches. Now, sometimes you have a blunt needle or you're a tight knitter and it's hard to get into these stitches. Whatever the case may be, my little trick is, whether you're a continental or an English knitter, pull down on this fabric a little bit. So I usually do this as a continental knitter with these two fingers here, my middle finger and thumb. I kind of pinch down to open up those stitches a bit more. If you're an English style knitter, you can give a little tug too. And it just helps get right in. So I'm going into these two stitches from the bottom to the top, wrapping my yarn for knit and bringing that through. So where I had two stitches previously on the left hand needle, I now have one resulting on the right hand needle, and the stitches are slanted to the right for knit two together. Happy knitting!